Good morning, student. Today I welcome you all to my class of English, and I am going to revise the lesson The Comet 1, written by Jayant Narlikar. So my dear students, let me tell you about the summary and the background of the first part. We are having two parts here, the Comet 1 and the Comet 2, written by a very famous scientist Jayant Narlikar. He was a very common face in Indian television during the time of 80s and 90s, and still he comes in the TV. Sometimes his interviews is also shown in the TV. So Datta was not a scientist or astronomer, but stargazing was his pastime. He used to spend long nights studying the star. His one ambition of life was to discover a new comet. He longed for enough money to buy a good telescope and also free time to study the star. He got them both after retirement. So all these two things he got after retirement. He bought an 8-inch telescope to fulfill his secret ambition. Now children, Datta though he was not a scientist or an astronomer, but he loved stargazing and he was very much interested in astronomy, and stargazing was his pastime. He used to spend long nights studying the star. The one ambition of life was to discover a new comet. So his one of the ambition of life was to discover a new comet. He longed for enough money to buy a good telescope and also free time to study the stars. He got them both after retirement. He bought an 8-inch telescope to fulfill his secret ambition. He knew that comets come from the solar system. Like other planets, they too go around the sun, but their movement is unusual. They could disappear for ages. Indrani Devi, his wife, cursed the telescope. She called it Divya or Divya Chakshu. That means she has given the name Divya or Divya Chakshu to the telescope. That is divine eye. She thought that the telescope was another woman who had trapped her husband. It made him careless about his own well-being and the practical problem of living. He did not take precautions against cold. The professional astronomer used big telescopes. Datta the 8-inch Divya stood very little chance of spotting a new comet. But still Datta was hopeful. He knew that the great scientists look chiefly at faint star. They miss such an insignificant thing as comet. One night, Datta noticed a new comet. 2 days later, the news appeared in the paper that a Calcutta man, Manoj Datta, had seen a comet, and it has reported at Indian Institute of Astrophysics. This comet was heading towards the Earth, and it would be seen with naked eyes in the next few months. It was named Comet Datta. He became famous celebrity. There was felicitations for Datta, but he did not like function organized in his honor. He wished he had not discovered the new comet. His wife agreed, but for a different reason. She was highly educated, still superstitious. She feared that comets brought ill luck and calamities on the earth. At Cambridge University, Dr. James Forsyth got a message to see John Macpherson, defense science advisor to the British government. Sir John handed him an article which James had written and sent for publication into Nature. It was very important because James had forwarded that comet Datta would hit the earth and destroy it. The collision could be avoided if it got broken into pieces while coming near the sun, or it might collide with some other comet. The tragedy would occur in just 10 months. It was decided to call an urgent meeting of experts to find out ways to save the Earth. They had to do something to push the deadly comet out of the way. So children, what happened? This would be clear in second part of the comet. This is all in the first part of the comet, and so you have seen children how how Jayant Narlikar he had written about Mr. Dev Datta Da, and how he was interested in astronomy and what he had done, how he had find one comet. So children, we will be doing the explanation part now. So students, now I'm going to read the lesson. We are going to do the explanation of the lesson. A new comet has appeared in the sky and is heading straight for the Earth. So children, a new comet has been discovered in the sky and it is heading straight for the Earth. A head-on collision, which is nearly unavoidable, will mean the end of life on this planet. Scientists and religious leaders react to this situation in two different ways. What happens to the comet? Datta Da, an amateur scientist, can't stay away from the keen-eyed Divya Chakshu for long. Divya helps him achieve his secret ambition. Datta, the wife Indrani Devi, wishes he hadn't found the object of his search. Now, student, I'm now actually going to begin the lesson. It was a moonless night in December. A burst of cool breeze from the window was enough to disturb the sleep of Indrani Devi. Half awake, she felt for the adjoining pillow. Although she knew the answer, Datta Da was not there. So children, Datta Da wife was sleeping. Okay, she was sleeping, and it was a moonless night in December. A burst of cool breeze from the window was enough to disturb the sleep of Indrani Devi. Half awake, she felt for the adjoining pillow. Although she knew the answer, Datta Da was not there. So he is gone to hobnob with that wretched Divya. At least he might have bothered to close the door. Even as she muttered her complaints, Indrani Devi could not repress her smile. Children, repress is suppress. At least he might have bothered to close the door. Even as she muttered her complaints, Indrani Devi could not repress her smile. She knew how utterly oblivious her husband was. Oblivious is forgetful. So children, what is the meaning of oblivious? It is forgetful. So two word meaning I am writing, student. One is hobnob, together, and other is oblivious. Okay, oblivious means forgetful. All right. So children, she knew that her husband is very oblivious. Her husband was of the practical problem of living. Didn't his doctor tell him to take special precautions against the cold? But he would not remember to put on a sweater, even if it is it was lying on his bedside chair. How could he, when Divya had put a spell on him? Now children, Divya here is a telescope, but Indrani Devi is telling that Divya is like her girlfriend. She is every time she is taking Divya as her the lover of the of her husband, and she feel that the day Divya was here, actually Divya is the name of the telescope which they have kept, and she is feeling jealous with Divya because he is passing most of the time in the telescope, so she is having a bit jealousy with Divya. She picked up the white woolen pullover, wrapped herself in a shawl. Now children, when she came to know that her husband is not lying with her, so she understood that he must be on the terrace watching the sky, watching the star with Divya. Now children, she knew he is very forgetful. It was a cold season and he did not took his sweater. So she picked up white woolen pullover, wrapped herself in a shawl and made her way to the roof to break her up tete-a-tete with Divya. Now children, tete-a-tete is a word which means private meeting or talk between two persons. She found them both huddled together, eye to eye. At least Dattada was looking into Divya's eyes. When Dattada acquired this telescope, he was so thrilled that he called it Divya Chakshu. Now, children, when he bought what was actually he was born from a middle class family, and children, what was he always dreamed? Dattada always dreamed that he should have a telescope. He liked to watch the stars, and he should have a lot of time to watch the star. Now after retirement, when he got some extra money, first thing he did, he bought the telescope. He kept the name of that telescope Divya Chakshu, and children, she picked up the white, then children, and the moment he had bought that Divya Chakshu, till now he was passing time with her, he was watching the sky. Now to Indrani Devi, the telescope was like a designing of women, okay, who had ensnared her husband. So children, to Indrani Devi, that telescope, it was a designing, that is making model, and insert is trapped, okay, is her like a designing of women who had trapped her husband, so she just called it Divya, and the name stuck. To Dattada, the telescope marked the fulfillment of his ambition of a lifetime. Now children, it was Dattada's wish that he should have a telescope. Though it was not very costly telescope, it was an ordinary telescope, but then he fulfilled his ambition, his lifetime ambition, by buying that telescope. As an amateur astronomer, he had longed for enough money to buy a good telescope. Now as an amateur, okay, astronomer, he has longed for enough money to buy a good telescope and for enough spare time in which to observe the heaven. He got them both when he retired with ample money. So children, when he retired with ample money, first thing he had done, he had bought the telescope. The telescope was duly installed, and long were the dark nights that Dattada spent in stargazing. At least Indrani Devi thought so. Now, well, she went to her husband. She was a very caring wife, though she used to feel jealous with that Divya. Okay, here, put on this sweater, or do you want Naveen Babu to order bed rest tomorrow? Now children, Naveen Babu was their family doctor. So Indrani Devi, she is getting angry. She is telling her husband whether you will put this sweater, or do you want Naveen Babu to order bed rest tomorrow. Like every other amateur astronomer, Dattada had a secret ambition that he would one day discover a new comet. So children, Dattada was having a secret ambition. He wanted to say, he would one day discover a new comet. For comets can be new, coming as they do from the remote corners of the solar system like planets. Comets also orbit around the sun, but their orbits are highly eccentric. So for comets can be new, coming as they do from the remote corners of the solar system. Like planets, comets also orbit around the sun, but their orbits are highly eccentric. So once in a while a comet comes close to the sun. It has a toroid tail that is lit brilliantly by the sunlight, and then it recedes into darkness, not to be seen again for years or for centuries. What chance did he stand with his 8-inch Divya? Didn't professional astronomers have genetic telescopes? Datta was optimistic. He knew that the professional with their pre-assigned programs would be looking at faint star and nebulous galaxy. So, nebulous is hazy, not clear. So Datta was optimistic. Datta was a very optimistic person, okay, and optimistic was full of hope that one day he is going to find the children comet, and he wanted that he should be the first one to see that comet. So he wanted to keep the name also. So Datta was optimistic. He was very hopeful. He really had a hope that one day he would be seeing the comet. He knew that the professional with their pre-assigned programs. So he knew that the professional with their pre-assigned programs would be looking at faint stars and nebulous galaxies. They might miss such an insignificant thing as a comet, which they were not expecting to see anyway. Indeed, amateurs had often discovered new comets which the professional had missed. Now, children, he is telling that he really wished to find some children. He wanted to find some new this one comet, and he believed that some of the experienced professional astronomers, they even missed the comet, and he hoped that such type of comet he would be able to find one day with the help of that telescope. And it looked to Datta that tonight was going to be the big night, for against the background of the same old star, Datta had detected a faint stranger. Now children, once again I repeat from here, Datta was optimistic. So he was very hopeful person. He thought definitely he would be able to find that great comet one day. He knew that the professional with their pre-assigned programs would be looking at faint star. So he thought that the pre-assigned program would be looking at faint star and nebulous galaxies. They might miss such an insignificant thing as a comet, which they were not expecting to see anyway. Indeed, amateurs had often discovered new comets which the professional had missed. And it looked to Datta that tonight was going to be the very big night, for against the background of the same old star, Datta had detected a faint stranger. He re-examined the charts with him, checked his Divya for any smudges on the optics. Now children, at first he saw a spot-like thing near the star. At first he thought it must be some smudges on Divya. He cleaned it, and then again he saw that some old star. He detected a faint stranger. And what was that stranger? It was a small star-like thing. He re-examined the charts with him, checked his Divya for any smudges on the optics, did some calculation on his pocket calculator in torchlight, and children, he believed something extraordinary will be happening now. And children, he started at first he thought some smudges or some spots will be there on the optics of the Divya. He cleaned it, but again he saw the same spot on the near the faint children, near the star. And children, he took out some calculator, pocket calculator, and he started calculating in a torchlight. So for though absent-minded about daily chorus, he was meticulous in his observation. Children, meticulous is careful and exact. So what is the meaning of meticulous? Careful, careful. Sri Manoj Datta, a resident on the northern outskirts of Calcutta, has claimed to have discovered a new comet. He has seen the comet on the last 2 nights and had informed the Indian Institute of Astrophysics at Bangalore of its whereabouts. So children, Datta Babu, he whatever he was thinking, it was correct. Okay. Children, the spot which he was thinking, as he had guessed, it was the comet only. And he re-examined, again he re-examined, and he charts with him, checked his Divya for any smudges on the spot. He thought Divya must be having some smudges. Okay, smudges is spots or mark on the lenses, but that also was not there. And children, he did some calculation on his pocket calculator in torchlight. For though absent-minded about daily chorus, he was meticulous in his observation. So children, his chorus work was not good, but he was good in his observation. Yes, there can be no mistake. What he was looking at had not been there earlier, and it did look like a new comet. So there can be no mistake. What he was looking at had not been there earlier, and it did look like a new comet. 2 days later, the Anand Bazar Patrika came out with the news. So 2 days later, Anand Bazar Patrika came out with the news. Calcutta man discovered new comet. So what was the news? It was the news about children. Is the discovery of a new Babu, the new comet by Datta. So from our special correspondent, and this news was written by the special correspondents. Sri Manoj Datta, a resident on the northern outskirts of Calcutta, has claimed to have discovered a new comet. He has seen the comet on the last 2 nights and has informed the Indian Institute of Astrophysics. So children, after discovering that comet, he is informed to the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, IIA, at Bangalore, of its whereabouts. So he told everything about the whereabouts, from where that planet was. The IIA runs a 90-inch telescope, the biggest in Asia, at Kavalur. And children, ILA, Indian Institute of Astronomy, at Bangalore, it was having a 90-inch telescope, the biggest telescope in all Asia, at Kawalpur. If it confirms Datta's finding, it will be the high point in his lifetime career as amateur astronomer. Datta, as he is affectionately called by his friends and admirers, estimate that the comet would be clearly visible to the naked eyes in the next few months. He gave all credit for his discovery to his 8-inch telescope, which he called Divya. So children, he gave all credit for his discovery to his 8-inch telescope, which he called Divya. So all the credit finally goes to Divya. Thereafter, it took just 1 week for Comet Datta to be recognized. and so named. And children, it took only 1 week to recognize. Now everybody was able to recognize, everybody was able to identify the comet, and which was named as Comet Datta, to be recognized and so named for the ILA confirmed the findings and communicated it worldwide. And according to the accepted practice, the new comet was named after its discoverer. Therefore, it took just 1 week for Comet Datta to be recognized and so named for the ILA. I confirmed the finding and communicated it worldwide, and according to the accepted practice, a new comet was named after its discoverer. This brought in unwelcome publicity to the introvert Dattada. Children, Dattada, he was very introvert, but he got a nice publicity as he had done a great thing. He had discovered Comet Datta, and children, it was even children, the comet name was kept as Comet Datta as decided by the Indian Institute of Astronomy. So IAN confirmed the finding and communicated it worldwide. And according to the accept practice, the new comet was named after its discoverer. This brought in unwelcome publicity to the introvert Dattada. There were numerous receptions and functions to attend. Returning from one such ceremony, Dattada muttered to himself in disgust, "I almost wish I had not discovered this comet." So General Dattada wished that he had not discovered that comet. To his surprise, Indrani Devi agreed, "I wish the same, though not for the same reason." But children, Indrani Devi also wished that he must not have discovered the comet. To his surprise, Indrani Devi agreed, "I wish the same, though not for the same reason." But children, why she wished? Because it was not for the same reason. It was for some other reason. "May I ask why you wish I had not discovered this comet?" Dattada asked. Now children, Dattadas was having doubt, and he asked her why he had not discovered this comet. Dattada asked, "Comets brings ill luck, and I wish a good man like you were not associated with the discovery of one." Indrani Devi said with concern. Dattada laughed. "I see that even an MA degree has not cured you of your superstition." Now children, why she did not want? Because she felt that she used to believe that it was a comet which used to bring bad luck to the people, and she did not want that her husband to discover the planet. She wished that a good man like you were not associated with the discovery of comet. Indrani Devi said with the concern. Dattada laughed. "I see that even an MA degree has not cured you of your superstition." Now children, Dattada is laughing, and he is telling that your MA degree has not cured you of your superstition. There is no correlation whatsoever with the arrival of a comet and the calamities of the earth. Now children, Dattada is telling, you are you are a MA pass postgraduate person, and you are still believing in superstition. There is no correlation whatsoever with an arrival of a comet and the calamities of the earth. On the contrary, comets have been scientifically studied and their composition is well understood. Now he is telling planets are being studied and their compositions are well understood. There is nothing harmful about them. Well, you will soon see this comet of mine pass harmlessly by causing no anxiety to anybody. In this last comment, however, Dattada was not going to be exactly right. Okay, so you can see children how Dattada has discovered everything. Okay, his wish was fulfilled. He was not a great astronomer. It was only simply his wish that he wanted to have a telescope. He wanted to pass most of his time by looking at by gazing at the star. And finally, children, he wanted to have a telescope with him so that he can find a comet. It was his wish that the comet, which next comet which would should be find, it should be find just due to him. And finally, children, his wish true. Not only children, that the Indian Institute of Astronomy at Bangalore. Sorry, Indian Institute of Astrophysics at Bangalore. Children, they have named the comet after the Datta Babu name. And what was the name was kept? Comet Datta, and he became very famous. A person who was so introvert, all of a sudden he became very famous. So children, this was something great. His small hobby has children made him celebrity. He became a famous person, and children, um, he was a simple-hearted person with a small hobby, but that hobby proved to be a great for him. Now in tomorrow's video, children, we will be doing the question answer, and still in the first part, whole second comprehension is still there to be explained. So wait for my next video tomorrow and then we will see a very spacious thing, that what is written in the fate of Datta Babu. Okay, so with this I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.